Welcome to the world of Big Fan Art Studio,
where we bring art to life through the creation of unique, scented candles.
Our collection of handcrafted candles are designed to elevate your space and tell a story.
Join us on our journey as we travel to artisan markets across the country, sharing our passion with the community.
Subscribe to see how we create one-of-a-kind art you can light up.
And join our community by ringing the bell so you don't miss a single video.
Thank you for your support.
We're so grateful to have you as part of our community.
and we'll see you next time. Bye.